Hey traders, Shane from Global Market Trader. We're going to just take you through a recap of today's Euro session where we netted out 34 points. So hope you enjoy the video. It's just a quick walkthrough and a recap of how today's trading went. Cheers. Stop out, but the second trade was just a beautiful rundown. So let's have a look at our trades for today. That stopped now if you didn't take the 20 points. So the 20-point trade, I've just got to get my bearings again here. Let's run this through. So let's just get this sorted out. So here's the start of the session. So there's the start. Here's our first T3 sell. So there's our first T3 sell. The market is overbought, and that carries through. There's the first attempt of the T3 sell. The overbought reversal short. There's the second attempt. So that is a T3 sell, and we'll mark that. So that actually got taken out. The T3 sell, that triggered in, and we'll mark this chart. Triggered in there. I just need to check the pound US dollar stops at 58.47. Say, move that over. So the sell gets triggered in at 99. It gets taken out 2 points above the previous level. So out there at 13. So that's a 14-point loser. So we marked that as negative 14. So that was not a great first trade. But as I mentioned before, these breakout reversal trades, they are super. So they're the ones that we're looking for, and it delivers. So in at 13. So in at 13, out at 33, you've got your 20 points on that trade. So that is giving you 20 points there, whether you took it or not. But that's on the breakout reversals. We're always looking to go just a little bit more in there. But there's plus 20, so negative 14, plus 20 on the reversal breakout. So that's where the T3 fails, and we take a reversal breakout trade. So that's a nice push up, plus 20. No trade here, so there is absolutely no setup there. It's just a T1, and they're not taken at this time of the day because they're just not taken. They're not high enough probability trades. But we'll jump in on a T. We'll jump in on a re-entry, which we did here. So re-entry trade here. Re-entry short. Now we were going for 20 points, but obviously the entry there is at 6309. We're not going to disregard the key level. So some of us took. I'm going to record that we took 8 points on that trade. So I'll just record there that you've taken 8. It actually did go to its 20-point target. If you see there, it didn't get knocked out of the stop. But we'll record that we've got 8 points on that trade and taken this second re-entry here, which in future is probably the way to tackle re-entry trades at the key level. Wait until they hit the key level, take the 8, 9, 10 or 12 points, whatever it is, 14 points, wait for the bounce, then get back in on a break below the key level. So we got in there at 97, so there's our second re-entry. There's second re-entry, and that was plus 20. So second re-entry plus 20. You see we get triggered in there at 97, out at 77, and that's our session for today. Basically, what have we got? 48 points, and we had 48 initially, and then we've got our first trade at negative 14, so a total of 34 points, taking every single trade. Now remember, the objective is plus 50 per session, so Euro session, European session. So if we can get 50 points a week, not a session, a week, then if we get 50 points a week, we're basically going to, which we should be able to do quite comfortably on this system. As I said, 34 points today and you're done, you finished your trading, so that's it. We're finished. The pound US dollar just a little bit sideways there, and now it's starting to come back off again. So we've had a short here on the pound US dollar after that rally up. The pound futures, will do a recap on that quickly. So the pound futures trade, just a nice rally up. There was the reversal short there at 58.41. We took it and we got taken out at 58.21. So a solid 20 points there again on the reversal. So pretty happy with that. So we had 20 points on the pound futures, total trade offering of 34 on the Renko, and depending on what combination you trade. But as I